In South Korea's capital region, a deluge, turning Seoul's busy streets into rivers. The central Dongjak district recording 18 inches of rainfall Monday night into Tuesday and 5.5 inches in just 1 hour, the heaviest downpour in 8 decades.
비가 많이 내려서 힘들었는데 지금은 아예 잠겨버려서 가기가 힘든 상황이에요. 버스가 잠긴 친구들도 봤고.
Store owners and basement apartment dwellers in low-lying areas rushing to escape the rising waters.
점포 안에는 여기 갈비뼈 있는 정도까지 들어와 갔고요. 물이 어떻게 간신히 여기서 고립돼서 못 나갈 거를 그냥 사람 몸만 빠져나갔어요.
But not everyone was able to make it to higher ground. Among the 10 confirmed fatalities, a family of 3 in South Seoul who got trapped in their half-basement home. Their deaths highlighting the city's growing housing inequality and the plight of the urban poor who live in semi-basement apartments.
지하방 사는데 다 버려야 되니까 컴퓨터고 생활할 수 있는 먹는 그릇까지 다 버려야 되는 입장이 돼버렸으니까 어떻게 해볼 수가 없어. 그냥 너무 가난한 사람들이 사니까 돈이 없으니까 이렇게 된 거예요. 근데 너무
The risk of flooding in Seoul's sub-basement apartments, famously dramatized in the Oscar-winning film Parasite. A key part of the film's larger commentary on growing social inequality in South Korea. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol visiting the flood zone, apologizing for the government's disaster response, calling for improvements to the country's flood management systems in response to climate change. For the city's thousands of basement apartment dwellers, now the hard work begins of cleaning up, pumping out, and drying what belongings they can save. Matt Bradley, NBC News.